The download rclone. Open your browser and search for rclone. Open first website. Click on Downloads. Select rclone version according to your system. Open zip file. Drag rclone folder on desktop. Open the folder. Type cmd and hit enter. Type rclone version. Type rclone. rcd. /rc. -web. -GUI and hit enter. Go to Configs. Click on Create New Config. Give name for your drive. Select drive type. Click on Next. You can leave green fields empty. Click Next. Select your Google Drive account. Give permission to access drive. Close page and go back to Configs. The drive is now added in config. To add another drive, click on Create New Config. Give name for your drive. Select drive type. Click on Next. Click Next. Close page and go back to Configs. Now OneDrive is also added in config. In same way you can add other cloud storages. Close browser and command prompt. To find config file location, open rclone folder. Type cmd and hit enter. Type rclone config file. Copy file path. Open File Explorer and paste the copied path. Remove rclone.config from end of the path and hit enter. Copy file and paste on desktop. Here is your rclone config file.